How to enable or disable Samsung Internet. Show, go to top button on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then tap on the menu button at the bottom. Then tap on settings. Now in the Internet settings page, we go down and tap on web page, view and scrolling. Tap on that, and then at the top, tap on show, go to top button, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on this feature. And once it is turned on, you can tap on the back key to go back to the web page that you are viewing. Okay, so here in my search page, you can see when I scroll down at the bottom, there is this button right here. If you tap on it, that will allow you to quickly go back to the top of the page. And that is the feature there. You can turn that button on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.